Good afternoon, Kristen Wombat, Rabbit Trail Supply. Today we're going to be answering another question. Well, how big can the pulley and the rope pull up out on the limb? So today I'm going to show you my largest 10-pound feeder, and I'm going to show you how I pull it up and down. Thank you for watching. Hello, I'm hiding in the back. So I wanted to show you how large my feeder is. It's very well loved by the birds. It's about 10 pounds when it is full. So I'm going to show you now how I raise and lower with a large 10-pound feeder. We have a lot of line that we provide our customers so that their reach can go about 25 feet up. So we're lowering this one, and then I would undo the feeder and feed it. But something I want you to let you know is 10 pounds on a pulley is a little bit of a pull getting it back up. There you are. Now I'm going to tie it off. A little pulley science. Pulleys can reduce the acceleration of force required to lift an item, but the total amount of work is the same. Pulleys can also change the direction of force, allowing you to take advantage of the force of gravity to lift things upwards. Let's say you want to lift a 100-pound weight. If you tied a rope to it and tried to lift it directly with the rope, you would have to pull upwards with 100 pounds of force to lift it. Now, let's add one pulley on the ceiling. If you run the rope up over the pulley and back down to the ground, you'll still need to apply 100 pounds of force to lift the weight, but now you can use gravity and the weight of your body, which make it seem much easier. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope it was an informative video. I want to draw to your attention, there's a little hummingbird feeder there. That is the original out on the limb. Love to have your questions. Love to answer them. You have a great day. Bye.